All right, now we will get into the action of actually buying cryptocurrency. And in this example, we're going to use the Coinbase exchange. I'll reiterate this in the video, but make sure you already have a Coinbase profile set up. It's as simple as going over to coinbase.com, clicking on the sign up link, and filling out the form that follows. You're going to set up your account. You're going to link your bank account to your profile. Very important that you do that in order to be able to follow through with the example here. So welcome again and enjoy the ride. The video that I recorded entitled How to Buy Cryptocurrency applies to any cryptocurrency. But as I had previously recorded a video that talked specifically about how to buy EOS, I wanted to do an update here in 2022 using Coinbase. So let's do that. After establishing your profile with Coinbase and linking your bank account with that profile, you can log in and you are presented with your dashboard. To buy EOS, the flow is very similar to what you've seen, hopefully seen in previous videos. You click on the buy sell button. We first indicate the token that we want to purchase. And in our case, we will go ahead and type EOS. We can specify the amount of US dollars that we'd like to spend, in my case, to purchase that EOS. And then we can preview our buy. For that $100, I'm going to get 39.88 EOS. I'll be funding this from my Ally bank account. The price per EOS when measured in US dollars is $2.43. $97.01 of my $100 will go toward the purchase of EOS. The remaining $2.99 will go towards the Coinbase fee. I have the option of making this a recurring purchase. And when if I'm happy with all of this, I can click buy now. Every Coinbase user is enabled with the Coinbase Pro Experience. By navigating over to pro.coinbase.com, you get access to the screen or the interface that you're viewing right now. In order to buy EOS using this view, you have a few more steps through which to go. You first need to deposit funds onto the platform, and in our case, we'll be depositing US dollars from my bank account. Ally Bank deposited to the default portfolio, and I'm interested in depositing $100, not $1,000. I'll go ahead and preview my deposit. For this, I'll be able to trade with the Pro Experience instantly. I'll be able to withdraw either my deposited USD or the crypto that I purchase with that deposited USD in 6 days. This will be funded from my Ally bank account. And a reminder here, I'll be able to trade instantly while the funds clear. I'll be able to withdraw the USD or the crypto that I buy with it after 6 days. I won't proceed with this. This is as an example. Let's assume that I had the $100 now sitting here on Coinbase Pro. I now have the ability to go and buy my crypto. So I first want to select the cryptocurrency in which I'm interested. I'll say select market. I am interested in EOS. I'm going to be spending USD to buy my EOS. And now with the purchase form set, I can specify the amount of USD that I want to spend. And note some differences here. In particular, the fee associated with this purchase is far less. We're talking about 60 cents versus $2.99 over on the consumer experience, giving me almost a full 2 more EOS tokens for my money. Why is this the case? Well, as you can see, when you use the Pro Experience, there is a lot more effort required on your part to execute the transaction. You're doing more thinking, more of the manual labor, if you will. And therefore, Coinbase views that as work on your part and charges a lesser fee for the transaction. Over on the consumer side of the house, it's very easy to purchase EOS using that experience. There's very little that you have to think about. And for that convenience, Coinbase charges a higher price, a higher fee. All right, so now you know how to buy cryptocurrency. In that demonstration, we focused on EOS, but that process will apply to any crypto that you wish to acquire. In this next video, it'll pop up on the right-hand side of your screen again. We're going to go through a process that is similar to what you just experienced, only this time we're going to perform a function known as tokenizing the US dollar. So go ahead and click on that video and you'll see me over there.